In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock pages in Canva. This is a simple way to keep your layout safe from accidental changes, especially if you're collaborating with others or finalizing a design you don't want to tweak by mistake. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is open in the editor, look along the bottom of the screen. You'll see a strip of page thumbnails. These are the pages in your project, shown in order. This is the area you'll use to choose which page you want to protect. Hover your mouse over the page you want to lock. When you're hovered on the correct page thumbnail, right-click to open the context menu. In that small menu, look for the option labeled Lock or a lock icon. Click it. That's all you need to do to lock that page. After locking, Canva will indicate that the page is protected, typically with a small lock symbol. Try clicking on elements on that page, and you'll notice you can't move, resize, or edit them. This is intentional and helps prevent unintended edits while you work on other parts of your design. Locking a page is especially helpful when you've finalized a layout, built a header or footer you want to keep consistent, or created a template you're sharing with a team. It keeps the structure intact so you can focus on content without worrying about shifting elements around. It's worth noting that locking a page doesn't affect downloading or exporting your design. It only affects editing inside the editor. Think of it as a safety switch rather than a security feature. Anyone with editing access to the file will still see the page and, as part of their normal editing privileges, be able to work elsewhere in the project while that page remains protected. If you're working on a multi-page document, consider locking key pages once they're finalized. You can repeat the same quick process, hover over the page in the thumbnail strip, right-click, and choose Lock whenever you want to prevent accidental changes on another page. And that's it. By opening your project, hovering over the page thumbnail at the bottom, right-clicking, and selecting the Lock option, you've secured your page and made your workflow more reliable. Use this whenever you want to preserve a layout and keep your design clean and consistent as you continue building out the rest of your project.